Hi everybody, it's Christina with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week I want to give you a great way to find story ideas. See what's trending on TikTok. It's amazing. Everyone's coming up with these ideas, these cures, these systems, these workouts, like all kinds of things. See what's trending on TikTok and talk about it. Use your expertise. Will this work? Will it not work? If you're a doctor and somebody's giving, the magic weight loss cure, to drink this potion, you can talk about that. Maybe you own a gym, you own a yoga studio, you're a healthcare or health and wellness professional, and they're talking about a new exercise plan or a new eating regimen. See what they're talking about. Maybe it's a line of clothing. Who knows? I want you to go onto TikTok and I want you to see what's trending, and I want you to see how you can apply your expertise to it. And then when you pitch the media, I want you to talk about, hey, I'm talking about what's happening on TikTok and it has over 1 million views, because that helps you build influence using somebody else's influence. And the media knows this. They know that if you're talking about a story that's got millions and millions of views on TikTok, it's going to help the station get more views. So that is this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. If you like this tip and you'd like to learn more, check out our free download. It's a blueprint at captivateandcashin.com/blueprint. And it talks about things like how to land in the media, how to get your messaging straight, is your brand in line across all your platforms. And it just gives you some great tips to really stand out when the media checks you out and when your potential clients and customers check you out.